So here's a first principles. There's usually a first principles question in, and it's much the same as what you did in core maths. The only difference is it's more complex. Either they're more complex fractions or you have square roots. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to apply our formula for the derivative. Limit as h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And there it is there. Now, if you substitute 0 into here, you'll get 0 over 0, which, means we can go further, but in fact, we can't go further. There's no ways we can simplify this. So we're going to treat this in much the same way as we do when we have complex numbers. The only difference is now is we're going to now use the difference of squares matching the top line and continue that way. So I'm going to multiply by that plus that over the same for the difference of squares. And you'll notice it works out very well because it's that squared minus that squared on the top line and h into that denominator on the bottom line. And we're going to leave the bottom line exactly as it is because it's factorized, which is what you want to happen. So we'll simplify the top line. Careful, remember that when we square and get rid of the square root sign, that this is still in a bracket and there's going to be a sign change. And there it simplifies to there. Now, exactly the same as in all other differentiation from first principles, we're going to now see there's a common h, so we're going to cancel out the h. And now we just substitute our 0 for the h. And we obtain the derivative.